So, hello, good day. My name is Junior Disukay, and today I'm gonna teach you how to use our system, the academic monitoring system for the Bancos Heights Elementary School. And first of all, there are two apps that we're gonna use. The first one is the Navigat, and the second one is the SAM control panel. So, the Navigat is the database which we're gonna use to store some data, and the SAM control panel is the connection of our system. So the SAM control panel and the Navigat is connected to each other. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial, and I hope you're gonna like it. So first of all, we're gonna start the SAM control panel so that we can open the Navigator Premium, or we can connect to it. So let's just click the SAM control panel and start the Apache for the connection, and start the MySQL for the database, which is the Navigator Premium. So let's just wait for it. Sorry if it takes some time because my laptop is not just that good, so it's already started. Let's just close that. And now let's open the Navigator Premium. So this is the interface of the Navigator Premium, and now let's create a new connection. So let's create a new MySQL connection, and let's just put in the connection name the academic system connection, and let's just test if the connection is good. So we're successful. Let's click OK and OK again. So let's open the academic system connection. So in the academic system connection, you're gonna see some database, and the database of the system is the SIS. So let's just double click this, and you're gonna see some bunch of tables. So these tables are useful because all the data that you have put in the database will gonna be stored in here. So the next thing to do is to open up the system. So let's open up Google Chrome, or you can just open Mozilla Firefox or any web browser that you have. So let's just wait for a few seconds because sorry if this is so slow. So let's just put in the address bar the local host, and let's put the 8080 for its connection, and put in here the bank 2, which is the name of the system, or the name of the folder of the system. So this is the Bancos Heights Elementary School academic monitoring system. So in this login page, you're gonna see the login and the register. So if you are new in the school or you are a new teacher, to open up the system, you'll need to register first. So let's click register, and a new model will pop up, and you're just gonna input here your email. So I'm just gonna input my email at gmail.com, and my password is first name is Junard, and middle name is Flores, last name is Sarsukai. So I'm gonna select what grade level am I, or and what section. So I'm gonna go for grade 6. So here in the combo box here, all the section that belongs to the grade 6 will gonna be in here. So once I put grade 6, there are two sections that I can be. I can be in the Remolta section and the Malandi section. I mean 3. There are 3 sections in the Mabait section. So I will go to the Malandi section. And let's click register. And now it says you are now registered. So let's click OK. And now we can enter to the system using your email address or your username, password, and click login. Oh, I forgot. So it says here you need to have an administrative approval to use the system. So this is another security system for our system, which is the principal or the administrator didn't approve you, you can't open up the system because you have, I mean, you should have the approval first to open up the system. So to make that, let's click new tab and open again the system in here. And we're gonna log in to the administrative panel. So this is the admin panel, and as you can see there is an approval of user. So if you're gonna click this, you're gonna see my approval. So if I'm gonna accept this, I can now enter to the system. So let's accept this. Successfully accepted. So once I put my credential again, now I can log into the system. So in the teachers panel, you can only see the student panel and the registration panel. So in the registration panel, this is where you will gonna register a new student, or yes, a new student in your section. And the student panel is where you can search all your students. And as for now, I don't have any students, so I'm just gonna register a new one. So let's click student registration. And let's just wait for it. So in here, we're gonna register a new student. So let's select grade 6 and the Malandi section, school year 2015 and 16. So the first name of the student is Hannah Flores Rafi Sara. So the LRN is the student's ID, which is similar to the student's ID. So let's just put some random LRN like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess. And sex is female, and age is 19. Month is May, I mean January. Day is 7, 1997. So religion is Christian. I don't know the ethnic group. Let's just put here Dalao, Real, Davao City. Mother tongue is Bisaya. Father name is Ulysses Sisora. Vendor. And see. Patient is also a vendor. So let's click register. So it's successfully registered. Let's click OK. And once you search it in here, let's just search 2015, 2016, and click search activities. I mean archives. You're gonna see there is 2 students that belong to the section Malandi. I mean this is the one that I registered. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is to show you the view profile action of the teacher. So the teacher can view the profile of the student. So if you're gonna click the view profile, it will gonna open a new page. So this page here is a printable page, so you can just print this. So to print this, you're just gonna use the command or control P. Then the print page will gonna pop up. So this is the print page. You're just gonna have to select it. Either it is a landscape or a portrait. So this is a data, so it's a portrait. And A4, you can use the paper, A3, or so that's the view profile. Just close that. And the second one is the edit profile. And again, it's gonna open a new page which you can edit the student's data. If you mistype something in its profile, you're just gonna click the update button. So the third one is reading performance of the student, the oral type and the silent type. This is the oral type. It's the oral type interface, and it has the same function as the silent type. this is the endorse to next level. So this is the endorsement of the student to the next level. So Hannah is a grade 6. So we will gonna endorse her to grade 7. But since we didn't put grade 7 yet in the section, we cannot endorse into grade 7. But the logic is there. You can endorse a student to the next level, or if you have a grade 1 student, you can just endorse him or her to grade 2 to be a grade 2 student, and it will be automatically in the it will be gonna be added automatically in the teacher's student where you endorse him or her. Let's just close this. So that is the panel, or that is just the function of the teacher. So next I'm gonna show you the functions or the panel of the admin. Okay, let's just log out and let's put admin for the username and admin for the password. So as you can see, there are many functions that you can use in the admin's panel. You can view the report of the math result, subject grade 3 and grade 6, the oral performance reading, and silent reading performance. And this is the comparative math result. As you can see, this is the statistical bar. And you can also register a new student using the admin panel, which also helps the other teachers to register some students. So as you can see, it is also the same as what you see in the teachers panel. And the only teacher that can add a new section is the admin or the principal. So here you can just add to grade 6 only, because it is just an elementary school. So let's go to the student section. Here you can search some students also, but in here, if you're gonna search some student, it will gonna show all the students in different sections, and you can also view their profile, which is this one, still the same as what you see in the teachers panel. It is also printable. So here you can search some students based on their names, and it will gonna sort out all the JSON in here. So it's also the same in the middle, and I guess yes, it is still the same. So let's go to the teacher section. So in the teacher section, you will gonna see the teachers that have registered or who is using the system. So you're gonna see my name here, Junior Rasuke, and grade level is 6 and section Malandi. So you can view my students by clicking view student list. And if you're gonna search here, you're gonna see my student. Just click back, and you can view also the reports, which is the print class list. You can print the class list in here. This all the students will be printed, and it will gonna be put in this box in here. So the total number of the enrolled students in this section is 2. So let's just click back, and I guess that's all that you need to know about our system. And there are some few errors that we see, so we will gonna fix it right away. And let's just log out. And also I want you to see the developer section, where this is the developer section. So this is me, I'm Junior Gasuke, the senior programmer, and my junior is Yulito Guhelde, junior programmer. Albert PRAISO, the documentarist. Margin Averos, our system analyst, with the combination of Ariel Vanessa Alcazar, also our systems analyst, and Serin Saramusing, our system analyst also. And we are sorry because Serin Saramusing is new to our group, so we don't have any pictures of him right now, but we're just gonna update this. So I hope you understand my tutorial about our system, and that's all for today. God bless, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.